Just because we go gray doesn't mean we can't have dimensional blonding. So I'm going to do a really great coloring on Jill's hair today using 3 different shades of blonde. So this is half 8 and half 9 with only a 10 volume. That I'm going to use around the face where she's super white, so we can still have a lot of blonde there. Then I'm going to be using 7N, so that's a natural dark blonde through the rest of it, which will blend the gray out through the back of her hair. And then I'm going to use Lightener with 20 volume. That I'm going to put in foils. So I'm going to use my lighteners to do a foiling technique in which I'm actually going to slice the sectioning, because I want to make sure that these highlights don't look streaky, don't even notice. I want them very, very blended with the other colors. So I'll go a little heavier around the face where she has a lot more white, so that this way when it grows in, we're not seeing the contrast of dark and white with her white hair. And then I'm painting the colors in between. So like I said, in the back, we're doing the 7N with 10 volume. And then as I get up to the front and the top here, where she has a lot more white, almost 85% around her face, I'm using the lighter 8 and 9. And then we're just going to use the air glide to put some soft waves in it. But look how gorgeous and natural and dimensional this is. Even the fact that Jill's hair is about, I'd say 80% gray around the front, a little less in the back. There you go. Big transformation.